Something else that sets us apart is how we implement a new program with one of our clients. So the discovery period really is understanding what their process is, what their flows are, what they expect their customer experience to be, and what that interaction looks like. And the first step is mapping that out. And once we've mapped that out, that really gives us the beginnings of a roadmap to how we're going to succeed and what we're going to measure for them. Once we can understand what the expectation is, we can help A, measure it, and then B, start to drive those key behaviors. And that really is where we start to see those aha moments with our clients, when they start seeing that value. And that can happen pretty early on in the onboarding process. Once we start getting data into the system and running it through this part of the process, it is really easy for us to show ROI to clients very early on in the process.